Welcome, and this is how to fix disabled Wi-Fi on Android phone. So, guys, if you have a problem with disabled Wi-Fi, go to the settings into your phone. Now, over here, go for the connections, and from here, if the Wi-Fi is disabled, just make sure to turn it on over here. And once you turn it on, tap on the Wi-Fi, and you should be able to see all of the list of networks that are available in your location. Now, if it doesn't work, guys, you can just simply go back to the settings main menu, and now over here, just simply scroll down to the very bottom until you see over here software update. So here on the software update, just simply select download and install. And from here, it will check for the latest version of your software. And I recommend update your software because sometimes outdated software can bring up this issue. And when there is any available, guys, you should be able to download it over here. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.